Hey everyone, hopefully you have successfully completed week one of college, so good job with that. It looks like everyone, or just about everyone, has checked in and you have completed your discussion boards. One thing I do want to talk about next week is just how to get these done and make sure we are posting on time and responding and what posts should look like. And we'll talk about expectations too, as far as any of the other weekly assignments go on top of your bigger assignments. So I just wanted to take a moment to remind you that next week we're going to have our first Zoom meeting. It's going to be optional, but I highly encourage it because I do want to take some time to, first of all, keep getting to know you, but I also really want to discuss the final grade rubric. We need to finalize that. I want your input as a student for that. So we're going to take a look at that and get some feedback from you guys on that, and then I'll post the final version to D2L. Also want to go over any lingering questions that you still might have about the course, so it'd be a good time to come and ask those. Let's see, what else will we be doing? We will be talking about the narrative assignment, so we're going to get started on that and see if you have any questions about that. So tune in. There should be, I believe, a link to our Zoom meeting on D2L, but I'm also going to make sure I send out a reminder about that. So it'll be at what was supposed to be our originally scheduled course time, which is 10:20, and so that's going to be on Wednesday. So be on the lookout for that. If you can attend at all, this would be the time to do it. It's a really important meeting for us. All right, so good job. There's still a few people. Let's see, it is 2:15 now. Our deadline, again, is always going to be Friday at noon. There are several people that did originally post, but they haven't responded to anyone. So since this is the first week, let's extend that a little bit, especially since we haven't finalized the schedule. So if you haven't done that, don't just think your chance is over. Go ahead and hop in there and finish responding. And I will see you guys, actually see you guys on Zoom next week. All right, bye.